Hey, if you want to move contacts from your SIM card into your phone storage on Redmi 14C, then all you have to do is just to open your contacts and now click on, you will start from this screen, but you will have to go for organize, and you will have to simply go into the manage SIM. So once you click here, you can actually select all contacts that you can move. If they are unavailable, it means that they already exist in your list. And now if you select every contact, click here and select to import. And now additionally you can clean up your SIM, so it will actually remove the copies of your important contacts, but if you want to still keep them inside your SIM card, select keep. And now the SIM cards are imported into your phone storage. And now if you want to view this phone contacts only, then you will have to just click on this icon and switch from your current SIM card into your phone storage. That will be all, and thanks for watching.